Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to Motorola Moto G22. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then just open it. Over here you need to tap on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now do exactly the same on XIAOMI. Then choose Receive on Motorola and Send on XIAOMI smartphone. After that, tap on all of those dots, so misclick all of those, and simply tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your content that you wish to send and do it later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of my files, so I will go with only one, tap on Send and click on Got it. Over here on Motorola, choose No Thanks, close this window, and finally we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and click on Receive, but we can also scan QR code by selecting the scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, and pointing our camera at the QR code. Following that, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!